everyone. I am going to explain question number 4 and 5 of exercise 7.1 of class 12. As you can see the question, find the derivative of sec x minus 1 upon sec x plus 1 with respect to x. So first we assume let y is equal to whatever be the question, and we'll assume it as first equation. Now in this the question is in the form of fraction, and you know the formula for differentiating a fraction. NR is for the numerator and DR is for the denominator. So when we have to differentiate numerator upon denominator, the formula is denominator square, and here denominator as it is, the numerator's differentiations. 1 dash is for the differentiation of the numerator, then minus numerator as it is, then differentiation of the denominator. Now we'll use this formula to differentiate this. So here I wrote like this. Now we started the differentiation. So here we'll use this formula denominator square. So what is denominator here? Sec x plus 1. So instead of denominator square, we'll write here sec x plus 1 whole square. Now in the formula, denominator we have to keep as it is. So what is denominator here? Sec x plus 1. So we'll keep this sec x plus 1 as it is, and differentiation of numerators. Numerator is sec x minus 1. So differentiation of sec x minus 1. Then numerator as it is. So numerator sec x minus 1 as it is. Then differentiation of denominator, that is sec x plus 1. Now we'll differentiate it, and remaining terms we'll keep as it is. So when we differentiate it, sec x differentiation, you know, differentiation of sec x is sec x plus tan x, and differentiation of 1 is 0. In the same way, we'll keep this bracket as it is. Differentiation of this sec x is sec x tan x, and differentiation of this 1 is 0. We wrote here the reason that differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Now here you can see this bracket and this bracket is same, so we can take sec x and tan x common. So from here sec x plus 1 remain, and from here sec x minus 1 remained. In next step you just open it, then sign will change, and by doing this sec x and this sec x will cancel, and then 1 plus 1 only 2 remains. Now here what I had done is I changed this sec x as the reciprocal of sec x as 1 upon cos, and tan x we can write as sin upon cos, and this sec x I wrote as 1 upon cos, and this one as it is. Means we changed everything in the form of sin and cos. This sec x will cancel by sec x. So from here what is remain? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied by sin is 2 sin x. Now next step. Here cos into cos is cos square x. We'll take the LCM, that will give you this step. Open the bracket, so square will move with both. So this cos square x and this cos square x will cancel each other. So we'll get this. So that is our answer of this question. So in this we had used the formula of division of the fraction. Now we'll move to the next question. Differentiate. We have to differentiate this fraction with respect to x. So here again it's a fraction, numerator upon denominator. So before using the formula, we will reduce it unless it's going to be very lengthy. So we will rationalize the, or rationalizing the denominator, we will get here, when we rationalize here, plus sign is there, so with minus sign multiply, and when you will rationalize, you will observe that this bracket and this bracket are same. So we can use the formula of a minus b whole square, and here in down it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So we are going to use the formula a minus b whole square. So just see, I wrote here formula a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. Since this bracket is same, so it's going to be a minus b whole square. So this complete is our a and this complete is our b. So a square plus b square, then minus 2 into a into b. So in this I put the values in numerator. Now in denominator we are going to use the formula a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. Now when we will do the square, root will remove, and here you can see, you can write them in the same root and they will come in the multiply like this, and here wherever you can remove the root and square, just remove it. So we'll obtain the next step. Now here open the bracket, so sign will change. Now this one is become 2, x and x are cancel. Now this is remain. Here again you can use a plus b minus b formula, that is a square minus b square. Now again just take 2 common. I took 2 common, so this is remain. Now here 1 and 1 will cancel each other, so 2x. Now this finally this 2 and 2 will remove, so we are remain with this. Now this we are going to divide, we are going to differentiate with the help of fraction differentiation formula. So students, just see here the formula is this, denominator square. So what is denominator here? X. So x square, then denominator as it is. So I kept denominator this x as it is, then differentiation of the numerator, then minus numerator as it is, then differentiation of the denominator by using this formula. Now we'll differentiate it. When we'll differentiate it, the differentiation of 1 is 0, and when we differentiate it, because of this rule, it will behave as x to the power n. So just see students the next step. This x as it is, differentiation of this 1 is 0, and when we differentiate it, it will behave as x to the power n. So I wrote first this root we can write as half, and now here this bracket as it is, and differentiation of x is 1. Now here we'll differentiate it as x to the power n, and then we'll use the chain rule inside. So just see the next step. What's the formula of differentiation of x to the power n? N x n minus 1. So by using this, what is n for us? N for us is half. Now because of this minus sign, it will becomes minus half. Then x n minus 1. Then again by the chain rule you have to differentiate 1 minus x square. Now since differentiation of 1 is 0, so I avoided, I wrote only x square. So like this it came, and here I open the bracket. So because of this minus sign changed here, and now this we have to subtract. So half minus 1 is minus half, and differentiation of this is minus 2x, and this as it is. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and this minus becomes positive, and this x into x is x square, or I think 2 will, yeah, in next step we are done. So here we'll take the LCM. When we'll take the LCM, just see 2 will cancel by 2, take the LCM. So LCM is going to be root 1 minus x square. Now here x into x is x square. There is nothing means 1. So when we take LCM here, 1 multiplied by LCM, then this will multiply by the LCM. So root will remove. So answer will come here 1 minus x square. So here I took the LCM. In this step, I took the LCM. So there are 3 terms, first term, second term and third term. Now this x square and this x square will remove. So we are remain with 1. So 1 minus root 1 minus x square. So that's our answer. Thank you.